guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is the Venkat Explorer. Today I am gonna explain you about the passing strategy of the one of the important slash toughest exams of the VTU, which is the subject name called 18EC32 Network Theory. Why I am posting specifically about this video in the sense my friends and my juniors, they'll be keep on asking, Venkat, how you clear this subject in LinkedIn as well as my personal WhatsApp. So I am posting this video, and I am posting this video to the already people those who are having arrears and backs in this subject. So coming to the point, the subject name is called 18EC32 Network Theory. It consisting of 5 modules, module number 1 to module number 5. There are in VTU 1 lakh people are writing examination of EC branch people. In that majority 40 to 50,000 people have back in this subject like network theory, signals and system, VLSI design, and now I have heard in 7 SEM people are having back in communication, some subject called multimedia communication. So it's strange to hear this kind of subjects people are having backs. That's not a problem. So in this video I am gonna explain detailing about the clearing strategies. So coming to the point, first module, you have to study star to delta connection, delta to star connection, and theories of mesh, super mesh, node, super node. Coming to the problem solving, we have to study about current to voltage, source transformation, and source transformation of then star to delta, delta to star problems, and mesh, super mesh, node, super node analysis. So in this, you need not to skip any of the problems. So practice on the Chandrasekharaya book or in the Bakshi book. How to clear this subject with paper analysis, I will say at the end. So you can get more info from this video. Then coming to the 5th module, it's having Z, Y, A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D in terms of the transformations. We have to learn theory as far as theorems and as well as theory as well as problems. And problems in 5th module, you can skip one part. One is resonance, another one is parameters. Even my professors requested to me to study about the parameters, skip the resonance. But in 5th, I think 5th arrear paper of network theory, it has been asked in the way that one resonance and one parameters. It is safer to study parameters and some important question in the resonance. And coming to the 3rd module, it consisting of one important theorem every time they will be asking, behavior of circuits under initial and final condition, then the problems of circuit at open state, circuit at the closed switch, circuit at the open switch. So this has to be learned in the 3rd module. Coming to the 4th module, it has 2 important theorems, initial value and final value theorem, and step, ramp, impulse, and problems on step, ramp and impulse. That's it, is more than sufficient to clear this 3rd module and 4th module of network theory. And 1st module and 5th module, you have to be thorough, and 3rd module and 4th module also it is easy. And coming to the 2nd module, there are 5 important theorems are there, superposition and Thevenin's, Millman's, Norton's, and some other theory. The theorems we have to study and we have to practice the problems on that. Coming to the lecture videos I will be pasting in my description also. First module, you can refer Professor Satish, who he will be detailing explaining about the first module. And coming to the 5th module, you can watch the videos of MIT Mysore 18EC32. He will be explaining very superbly. Coming to the 4th module, you can watch engineering course made easy. That professor, his name is like my favorite professor, I'm forgetting his name. He will be explaining very superbly. Coming to the 3rd module also you can see in engineering course made easy. He will be solving every problem of the previous year as well as every problems that had been asked in the question paper. Coming to the 2nd module, you can either watch MIT Mysore or you can watch from the HC Satish. So they will be explaining superbly. but clearing this subject takes some patience. So if you need more videos also about clearing strategies of VTU, especially 2018 CBCS scheme, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can ask me in LinkedIn. So where I am actively, where I am active. So coming to the previous year solved problems, that engineering course made easy professor had solved all the questions that are available and asked in the VTU scheme from 2018 to till now 2023, that 2024, that all problems he compiled as a PDF that I will be sharing you in the Quora link, or I can share the link in the other website, so you can take that, and I will attach his mail also, so you can ask him in the mail also. He will be sending the materials to you. His motive is to teach to the VTU people. It's not a paid promotion. So okay, then coming to the clearing strategy, other thing I want to say, what in the sense, there is two books which we need to refer for network theory. One is Bakshi, another one is Chandrasekharaya. How people are studying in the sense, they are just solving the problems of whatever books that has been solved, but in that book, in V2, they are twisting the questions, like the people, those who are solving from 2018 to 2023 papers, they are not asking in VTU. Instead of that, they are asking from 1994 to 2018 and 2018 to 2023 some selected questions only. So in Bakshi book, you have to solve the previous year questions also. Majority of the problems are asking from Bakshi book only. In Chandrasekharaya, they are majority asking from third module only. So solve the problems that had been asked in the previous years, like 2000 to 2018, like that. So we will be getting a lot of practice. And if you see the question paper, the same problems which were asked in the Bakshi book is available as a question paper. So study that only. So this is my video all about. So I think you might get some valuable information from this video. So take care and bye. Have a nice day.